Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have an unboxing for you. I just got the Life is Sweet June 2024 paper pumpkin kit in my mailbox. We have a Shy Shamrock Stampin' Spot and a bunch of sayings. Let me find the sheet in here. Here are all of the sentiments. Life is so much sweeter with friends like you. Wish you were here. Thanks. Sweet friend, sending a big squeeze. So much to celebrate. And you're truly amazing. Great sentiments. And here's our instruction sheet with the suggested ways to put them together. And our colors this month are Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lolly, Peach Pie, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pretty in Pink, Pumpkin Pie, Shy Shamrock, and Summer Splash. So all of the new in colors. And we have linen thread and tear and tape. Glue dots, dimensionals, and some iridescent pearls. And we have 3 envelopes of 3 colors for 9 total. I like this scallop here. And this, I like how this is packaged separately. So we have die cut separated by vellum. Love these leaves, they're very delicate. Okay, card base number 1 is Pretty in Pink, and it's a pattern that makes it look almost textured, almost like pink on a canvas. And then we have some die cut banner shapes. So 2 different sizes with beveled ends. And then we have some die cut lemons. They look almost, I think they're watercolored. And another card base. And this one has the pattern on both sides. So nice to chop up to do something else with. And peaches. And then a nice double front and back for the last card base. And then we have more die cuts. Again, these are really delicate. And here's some glimmer paper with sentiments. So miss you. Hello. And congrats. And I'll pop all those apart the rest of the way later on. And some die cut leaves and some star shapes, or they could be flowers if you put them together that way. And cherries. Love these colors. Poppy Parade is one of my favorite colors. And per usual, keep an eye out for my upcoming alternative videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.